Hi, this is Magesh from Stamp Card and welcome to my channel. Today's card we are going to use the stamp set Jar of Flowers with the coordinating punch. And for the sentiment we are going to use the stamp set Butterfly Wishes. Today's base card is thick whisper white cardstock which cut at half and folded at half. As in Australia we are using A4 cardstock as our base card. So the measurements are available at my blog, and along with the base card is followed by two layers of whisper white cardstock and another one for inside. And the smoky slate cardstock is to stamp the sentiment. And we are using four Stampin' Classic ink pad, Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Pumpkin Pie and Marcy Meadow. And next we are going to use two embossing folders. I'm going to use the 3D subtle embossing folder to emboss the layering card first. All the measurements on the products which I used are available at my blog. Now keep this piece aside. And the next step, I'm just going to punch using the Jar of Flowers on Whisper White cardstock, and I'm just going to emboss it using the greenery, Forever Greenery embossing folder. Keep those pieces aside. Now I'm just going to stamp my image using Memento Tuxedo black ink and stamping on the Whisper White cardstock. Now I'm just getting my pumpkin pie stamping ink. I'm getting the ink on the clear blocks so it's easy for me to color the flowers. The first I'm just getting my blender pen to color the rose. I am going to give two shades of coloring for this rose. I feel blender pens, while using our blender pens, we have more control in it. I'm not adding any water or anything. So the first layer is finished. The second layer, only I'm going to color only on the border. Can you see the huge difference? I didn't color fully the rose, only the border. And the next coloring, I'm just going to take Daffodil Delight. Again, the same two layers, followed with the color next one, Balmy Blue. Make sure to color the little flowers as well, using the same coordinating colors. And for the leaves, I'm going to use Mossy Meadow. I almost finished coloring. Once you finish coloring, fussy cut it using your scissor. Just to rotate the paper, it will be easy for you to cut it. I'm going to stamp my sentiment birthday wishes using Versamark ink on smoky slate cardstock. Once stamped, I'm just getting my white embossing powder and my heat gun to heat emboss it. Once done, I'm getting my scissor to do a fussy cut. Now we are going to arrange all the pieces together. The first thing, I'm just getting my base thick whisper white cardstock folded at half, and the next layer whisper white, again the embossed one. I'm going to stick these two pieces together. I'm using my Tombow multi-purpose glue. I am having two layers of whisper white cardstock here. One is a normal one and another one is embossed one. First, you are going to stick the embossed part to the normal one and stick these two pieces to the base card. I like to create a beautiful design to my jar, so I'm just punching another one using the same whisper white cardstock. and I'm just trimming the embossed one and attach these two pieces together to give a very good design to my jar. Okay, once attached, the next I'm just getting my linen thread. I'm making a double bow using the linen thread. Now attach all the pieces to the base card. Just adding stamping dimensional on back of it and attach the base card again. Once you are happy, push it down. And for the bow, I'm just adding some glue dots and stick to the middle. And for the birthday wishes, I'm just adding some more stamping dimensional on back of it. Once rhinestones are added, I like to add Wink of Stella for the flowers to give a beautiful shimmer to the rose. And for the next final touch, I'm going to sprinkle some of the Wink of Stella on the base card. I'm just going to tap it. I'm just tapping the Wink of Stella using my blender pen, which gives a beautiful splatter to the base card. Because it's pure white, you couldn't able to see, but in straight it looks beautiful. I like to show another card using the same technique, but instead of using birthday wishes, I used hello in basic gray cardstock. And for the colors, I used Calypso Coral, Pacific Point, and then crushed curry. And I'm just decorating the inside piece using a scrap piece of smoky slate cardstock, which is I embossed using the greenery embossing folder, and stick to the center. Today's card is ready. Hope you like today's video. You can absolutely get this bundle free this month June in starter kit promotion. See you soon with another great video. Until then, bye from Magesh. See you. Bye.